Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I will like to show you the way how to make someone else as admin on Instagram group chat. So the first thing that you have to do is just go open your Instagram application, and after that you just need to open the group chat that you have. So you just need to visit the group chat on the top right corner here in the DM site, and after that you just need to open the group chat that you have been created. And now to set someone else as admin, you just need to go click this members, and you just need to go click host that you want to set as the admin. So let's say we want to set this, so just go click these three small dots, and after that you just need to go click make admin, and you'll see that your friends now is the admin of the group. So that's the way, guys, how to set someone else or make someone else to be an admin on Instagram group chat. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you, so don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I will see you for the next video.